As most people know, majority of the Earth is covered by the oceans. They store a majority of the heat that we get, and in that respect, interact with the climate.
The ocean is a big sink for heat. It can absorb heat from the atmosphere, so if we continue to warm the atmosphere through increasing carbon dioxide or other factors, the ocean will absorb that heat and store it, and it can store up to 80% of that heat, but the question is, will it keep doing that in the future? The ocean surface topography mission is important because it provides a view of the changing climate. It monitors the consequences of global climate change and global warming by monitoring sea level rise.
Half the world population lives within 100 kilometers from the coast. Sea level is rising at 3 millimeters per year. The ice sheet of Antarctica and Greenland each has a capacity of raising sea level by meters.
It's measuring the height of the ocean surface to a few inches from 800 miles above the surface of the Earth. Imagine my hand here is the spacecraft, and this ball is the pulse of energy, radar energy that it sends to the surface. What it does is it measures the amount of time for it to come back. If the ocean surface is lower, which is represented by this lower step here, it takes a longer amount of time to come back than if it were higher. The radar altimeter sends a pulse of microwave energy down to the surface and measures the amount of time it takes to get back. It continues the measurements that were started in 1992 by Topex Poseidon and continued with the JASON-1 satellite. And now we have the OSTM, which is going to continue this record into the future and will help us answer questions like, is sea level rise going to accelerate?
OSTM is going to be able to provide us some of the key information to understanding and predicting and tracking hurricanes. It's going to be able to provide us same kind of information for oil rigs, for shipping, for fisheries management. And those are some of the very practical applications besides just the long-term monitoring of climate. It will really give us day-to-day applications where we're able to improve our weather forecasting.